I think one of the things that I've liked about Informer 5 and Informer 4, but in particular Informer 5, was that it allows us to create like a dashboard of reports and push it out to a team of users who then can themselves own that report and manipulate it and run it in other ways. For example, we have a team of users on campus that clears students prior to entry to the university and makes sure everything is done prior to them getting there. And instead of asking, the registrar's office or IT or another entity to run reports on a daily basis or to give them the information they need to make those decisions, instead they own it. So they actually can add their own data in. We've had them add completely other data sources, which we've never even looked at before. We've, at least within Informer, we've had to massage that data in after the fact in Excel. So we're refreshing our data sets, our data sources, and bringing some of their data in on demand as needed. And it's allowing us to operate not just more efficiently, but better than we were before.
When we first put Informer in place, I really expected that it would be an IT function and primarily my function to generate most of the reporting that was requested out of Informer. But what I found is that is not the case. So we have as many as a dozen people in the enterprise doing self-service reporting. And we have a lot of people that consume the information. Maybe everybody in the organization to some extent consumes the information, but we'll have a dozen that generate that independently. And the really useful, one of the things that really enables that is the fact that Informer gives a great control over who has access to which data sources and specific within each data source down to the table level or the column level to say who can do what with so the way the concepts of the users and the teams and the permission sets are very, very granular, and they're granular and they're easy to manage. And that granularity allows us to have users access directly to the data, and that in itself promotes self-service reporting.
At our organization, our users have quite a bit of access to Informer, and we do have at least one super user in each department. They have many reports that they have created themselves, are comfortable with running. They truly understand the data, and they are able to get what they need with minimal effort from the IT department. And in my opinion, that's the best way to go. They have the proper training on how to use the product. We want to put the power back into their hands to be able to, it goes along with that level of ownership.
Informer has provided us an opportunity to teach people where the data is. We show them mappings, we show them the data sources that we provide, and we also give them the flexibility of creating their own reports, as well as sharing the reports across the different departments. Most of the reports we create have to deal with the students, so applicants, applications, registered students, enrolled students, admitted students. We use dashboards primarily with our sports department. We wrote dashboards for them to show where the students are coming from and what sport they play.
What Informer has done for us and our clients and our clients' clients is it has provided more access to the data that they need during those times. PrismHR, formerly HRP, that was the software prior, there are a lot of reports that are in there, but not ad hoc reporting per se. So certain service providers and their clients have needs as far as reporting and the way that they see their data. And there was not an easy solution for them to go in there and actually get that information the way that they wanted to see it, the way they wanted to slice and dice it, and really become analytical, create the dashboards, and provide that information, whether it be scheduled, whether it be just a massive download into an Excel spreadsheet so you can, again, slice it, dice it, provide it however you need it to be.
The dashboards, we have HR, we've got leads to our portal for dashboards for general knowledge. Our HR, like I said, HR, admissions, institutional research are all using the dashboards. It's just made life easy.